Alright, guys, can you do me a massive favor? Can you do me a big favor? Can you follow me on Instagram, Jamaica_worst_gamer? We're trying to grow the Instagram also, so please give me a follow on Instagram. Link will be in the description also. Run the intro. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Hey, guys, today we're here with the legend himself, the man himself. Yes, Sidhu Musala. Sidhu Musala signed to God. Yes. Steel Banglez, which is the production behind this one. They got some crazy beats and moose tape. So we're gonna jump into this one and hear what the legend had to say at the time. We got the English subtitles on also, so let's jump in this one and see what's going on. So how I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna play it out. So I'm gonna play it twice. The first one is to catch the lyrics, and the second one is to concentrate on the video, because I'll be trying to dissect the lyrics whilst reading it fast. I'm gonna have to go back and see what they're saying in the video. Thank to God.
Moose tape. Bangles on the rhythm, yeah, it's fucked.
Look what fires on my name since I started. He said, since I stepped in the game, everyone stepped out. So basically, there's no room for anyone else. It's just me. Boss! He said, there's no army. It's just him. It's just him. There's no one else, bro. It's just him. And he's fighting against the whole of them. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. This is powerful right here. Not bound to anyone else. I'm signed to God. So basically, was he approached by the Illuminati to sign him? Was he approached by the devil to sign him? He's saying, listen, I'm not bound to anyone. I'm signed to God. So whatever you guys want to do, whatever you guys want to say, you guys say it. I'm signed to God. I'm not changing that. Okay. He said, to become a nice guy, that's not what I came in this world for. So basically, he's always going to go against the grid. Not a nice guy. I'm not a nice guy. No. But you're going to respect me? Yeah, you're going to respect me? I rip about these... I rip about this mediocre... So he's saying that he's ripping apart these mediocre artists, these stupid artists, these fool artists, because that is what that is what I'm designed for. Yes, I am that guy that you're gonna go against all the time because you can't beat me. I don't want you to join me. Mexican call me local, black call me big. Mexican call me local, black call me big drip. When I die, I shall rest in power. Rest in power, sir. Rest in power. Musala, rest in power, man. Legend. I like the average. Guy's a legend, bro. Yeah. Ooh, okay. Okay. But I know all my role models were shot dead, Tupac and Nipsey. So RIP to Tupac, RIP to Nipsey. He's saying both his role models were shot dead. And the same thing happened to him. He's a legend, though. It's powerful, bro. I don't want to keep pausing it, but I have to stop sometimes just to dissect what he's saying to myself, just to read what he's saying and understand what he's saying. Yo, this guy, it's like he's a prophet, bro. Like he's seen the future, man. He's seeing it coming to him. He knew what would happen, because obviously he's number one. He's going against the grid. He's not your normal guy, you know. He's not saying what the system wants him to say. He's doing his own thing, bro. So he knew this was coming. This guy's a legend, bro. Rose in the east, ban in the west. Oh wow, okay. To rip apart these media season already. I decided to be a singer. I aspired to be a clear. Okay, that people had their. Okay. He did it, bro. Yo, the more I listen to this guy, the more I learn, bro. All right, let me go and dissect the video now. Let me see what's going on in the video. I get what you're saying in the audio. Let me see what you're saying in the video, man.
Banglez on the rhythm, yeah, it's fucked.
This is in London. Yeah. What I noticed with him, he likes the classics, the classic cars. First, in one of my next reactions for him, he had a Mercedes Benz. Now in this one, he's got a BMW. It's a 5 Series. Questions for you guys. Was he living in London at some point, or not London? Was he living some part in the UK at some point?
ਸਾਡੀ ਗੋਲੀ ਵੀ ਐ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਲਈ ਥ੍ਰੈਟ ਮੇਰਾ ਸਟਾਈਲ ਜੋ ਜਿਉਣ ਦਾ ਆਟ ਨੂੰ ਕਰੈਮ ਨਾਲ ਜੋੜੇ ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਚੈਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੋੜਦੀ ਹੋ ਰੱਬ ਨਾਲ ਸੈਨਾ ਚੰਗਾ ਚੰਗਾ ਪੜਨੇ ਨੂੰ ਆਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਜੱਗ ਤੇ ਲੰਡੂਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਾੜਦੇ ਲਈ ਹੋਇਆ ਮੈਂ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਈਸਟ ਚੋਂ ਰਾਈਜ਼ਾ ਵੈਸਟ ਚ ਬੈਣਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੋੜਦੀ ਹੋ ਰੱਬ ਨਾਲ ਸੈਨਾ ਚੰਗਾ ਚੰਗਾ ਪੜਨੇ ਨੂੰ ਆਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਜੱਗ ਤੇ ਲੰਡੂਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਾੜਦੇ ਲਈ ਹੋਇਆ ਮੈਂ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਮੂਸੇ
Wow. 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 It just goes to show you how powerful music can really be, bro. How powerful music is. Like it's a whole different world, bro. Like rest in power, Sidhu. Rest in power, man. The more I listen to you, the more I learn about your life in each of your songs, bro. Like you're that guy. You're that guy. So I just want to say big up all my Punjab brothers and sisters out there that subscribe to the channel, that tune into the channel. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the love in the comment section. I appreciate you guys so much, man. Thank you for everything, man. And thank you for pointing me in the direction of these songs also. There is more Sidhu Muswala reactions on the channel. If it's your first time here, you can check them out. I'm gonna leave two floating about over my head right now, so you can check those out. All right, please remember to drop a sub as well, and I will see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.